I love boats. I love the old boat being painted red and green. I love the houseboat with a family on board. I love the dredger scooping up the mud. I love the lobster potter bobbing on the waves. I love the ferry loading up with cars. I love the cargo boat with lots of crates on deck. I love the tug towing a big ship out to sea. I love the liner far out on the ocean. I love the sailing boat speeding with the wind. I love the rowing boat racing round the rock. I love the trawlers bringing home the fish. I love all the boats floating in my bar.